In a certain examination, P scored 35% marks and Q scored 40% marks. Which of the statements is not true? Now, let's assume the total marks to be 100. So, P scored 35 marks and Q scored 40 marks. Now, let's read the data. Now, option A, Q scored 35 marks more than P when the total marks is 700. Let's check here. So, Q has scored 5 marks more when the exam was out of 100. Okay. Q must have scored how many marks more when the exam is of 700? We can find out easily by this ratio. Okay. So X is equal to 700 into 5 upon 100. So zeros get cancelled out. 7 5s are 35. So the first statement, first option is true. Let's see second option B. Q scored 5% more than P. Now, we cannot say this statement even if you can see that there is 35% and 40%. The difference 5% is in the percentage points, not as a general, where you cannot say it as a statement like this. 5% more than P. The meaning of this becomes Q is equal to 1.05 of P, 5% more, which is not the case. So therefore, option B is not true. And that's what is asked here. So therefore, answer will be option B. Now, just for the sake of it, we'll check option C and option D as well. P scored 12.5% less than Q. Now, it is mentioned than Q. So therefore, denominator will be the value of Q, which is 40. Now, P has scored 5 marks less. So it becomes 5 upon 40 into 100, which is 12.5%. So therefore, option C is correct. Option D, Q scored 14.28% more than P. It is mentioned than P. So therefore, now the denominator will be the value of P, that is 35. Now Q has scored 5 marks more, so it becomes 5 upon 35 into 100. That gets reduced to 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.28%. So therefore, option D is also true. So we have just concluded that only option B is not true. All other options are true.